Hi traders, not a great deal of data today, not a lot tomorrow, but there is data for the UK in the morning and mid-US session. So we've got this resistance up here. This level here was the high from the 2nd of January 2013 that we sold from. So if we're going to close above here today, which we obviously are, this is got to be the pullback area because that's the resistance, that is now support. And that level is 163.80. So 163.80, assuming we hold up here when you come back to your screens in the morning, 163.80 is the buy zone. RSI is highish, 65, plenty of scope to push up. Obviously 165 is a big target, so if you can get 163.80, then you are looking at a potential 120 points profit if that works out. The pound yen, I was interested in this level last week. So we slammed down here early part of the week and then held this level here, and today we have just opened high, gapped up and gone into that pivot up there. So we are high RSI here, so I personally would concentrate on the pound dollar and not this one. But if you want to go in this one, then Sunday's high would be an obvious place for me to get in, 168.78. Because that is, buy high is acceptable as long as you understand the risks. Here, this was a big buyer's bar up here, and if you bought the pullback, you would have got stopped out next day. Well, a couple of days back, depending on where you put your stop. So this is the danger of buying high. We could just see profit taking and see that pull right back. Dow is very hesitant today. We got Fed Day next week, mid-next week, and of course with the US jobs at the level they are from Friday, which was healthy, the market is looking for the start of tapering, the easing of the printing presses for the Fed. But if we break the high here, I do think we'll see an early move into this back up here. This is a mark this area here, 16,100, because of this star. We get a retest of that star and we already start to get jittery, then I think we'll see a pullback to this level here, 15,950. We've got a weekly pivot up here. This was the high from what was that? That must have been Wednesday. So I think this is an obvious pullback area if we are going to pull back before we get another run into the closing period of the year. And so for the Euro US, that has gapped up and done the same as the pound. And Euro Yen, didn't get a pullback on this one either. I did buy some of this at the highs and got a small run, but nothing to write home about. Oil is struggling. Very weak area here. We've had a move up into here. Here we moved up and sold, so this is very hesitant. If we can't close above 98, then we could just roll over. But certainly this, if we come right back, this is a key level we may. After a big move like this, I would certainly look to see if this area here can hold for another leg up to 100. But going long here is low probability, obviously, because that's a red bar. Let's have a look at the FTSE, because I don't often look at the FTSE. I actually think I thought the FTSE was going to hold up here. I did take a small position at 65.40 down here, and just got stopped out before they pushed it up. Never mind. I was in a little bit too early. But anyway, we finished with a red bar, so not good. Congested above with a lot of moving averages up here. But I just think if we can hold this fib area here and start closing above this weekly pivot, we may start to push up, because this is quite obviously a nice healthy bar from Friday. DAX, very similar to the FTSE. So he's had a nice run up into 94.15. It came out the top of the channel, and then not only closed below the channel, and then came right back to a support level. So this is obviously, we're under the channel now. So this bar here is Sunday. It's weak to sideways is the best I could say. And I think that's all I'll look for now. Let's just look at the US dollar yen. Right, what I'm going to do tomorrow is I am doing a stock scan at 8:30, combining a stock scan with a look at the Forex and indices at 8:30 in the morning UK time. Obviously just as the Euro session is getting underway. If you I've already done some stock scans. If you want to join me and share those scans, then please do. I'll send you the login with this email. Okay, so that's for Forex and stock scanners. 75 to 80% of the time will be spent on stocks. But if you're available, then please join me, and I'll send you the link for that. Alright, so I do hope you will join me. Enjoy what's left of your day, and see you at the next update.